Want to build a popular online personality without ever showing your face? Here's how to create your own About influencer in 25. AI is no longer just a tool, it can now be the influencer. In this video, you'll learn how to create your own About digital personality that can post, speak, and grow an audience without you ever needing to be on camera. Is it fashion, fitness, finance, motivation, or memes? Give it a name, personality, and backstory. Step 1. Choose a niche and identity. First, decide what your AI influencer will represent. Use tools like Midjourney, Leonardo Audier, or Artbreeder to generate faces or full-body images. Use ChatGPT with this prompt. Create an online influencer persona for the niche, insert niche, including tone, interests, and bio. This helps you build consistency across platforms. Step 2. Generate their visual look. Next, bring your AI persona to life visually. Prompt examples include futuristic female digital influencer, cyberpunk aesthetic, glowing eyes, confident smile. Save 3 to 5 images in different poses for variety in your content. Step 3. Make it talk. Now give your character a voice. Use DID or Synthesia to upload your AI image and generate speaking videos. Just type a script and choose a voice. The avatar will speak naturally, perfect for reels, shorts, and more. Step 4. Create and post content. Use ChatGPT or Syllabi AI to come up with content ideas and short scripts. Then pair them with your talking avatar videos. Schedule consistent posts across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. You don't need a face, you just need consistency and value. Step 5. Grow and monetize. Once you've built some followers, monetize through affiliate marketing, digital product sales, sponsored content, even launching merch featuring your AI influencer's look. Instead of watching them rise, you can build one today. Recap and final thoughts. Let's recap how to build your AI influencer. Choose a niche and personality. Create visuals with the tools Make It Speak using DID or Synthesia. Generate content with it. Post consistently and monetize smartly. AI influencers are not just the future, they're already here. Want help getting started? Drop it in the comments and follow for more step-by-step AI tutorials.